Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Mark here, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing of an item. If you see the name of the item in questioning, you already know what it is. So anyways, it says here it's from OVD Limited. I wonder what it is. And among other things, folks, what did I get in this year package? You know, chit chat, let's open it up. Opened it up. So what is in here? Good packaging. Whoever did the packaging, they did a great job. Shouts to that person. An amazing job. So yeah. Now, what is in this item? Enough chit chat. Let's go to the man cave. Like right now. Let's go. So yeah, before I do the unboxing and revealing, it's just to let you all know I've been gravely ill for the past 2 weeks. Very boring as crap. And among other things, and sure enough, just getting better. A little bit hanging though, but all in all better. It's just you know, a little bit on the tonsils, but all in all I'm doing all right. Still hanging there though. But anyway, enough chit chat. Let's see what the heck is that package. And here you go. And what is that? You right there, I say. And it turns out it's a jellyfish inspired the unique diver watch. AEQUOREA 2 UnderWater. So yeah, this is the one I got when it was on a Kickstarter, and I believe you can still get it on Indiegogo. They're still selling it, or on their website. So yeah, and it is made in Hong Kong, but it's not a counterfeit watch. It's not fake or anything. And I've seen previous versions of the watch over the years. I didn't even know much about this brand until I got into it. So yeah, let's check out the rest. So great packaging. This is how they travel, and here it is. UW stands for underwater. So yeah, just a little viewing of how you're gonna tie the knot so that next time I can do it myself. Very cool. And what do you know? It's tied to this. Okay, so rotate the crown counterclockwise to unlock before setting the time. So yeah, keeping that as an instruction in here. And then here comes another item. A warranty card. Okay. Here comes the watch. Here it is. Good packaging. Pretty cool. No date though, which is alright. I'm used to it. Either I don't want the date or I do want the date. But all in all, this is a unique watch based out of Hong Kong, and it's indeed a very nice piece. So yeah, I don't know how many I have to fit in to get this. I'm a very big dude, but to be clear, I like to eat sometimes. So yeah, here it is. Before I start playing the music, I'm going to show you variants, and I'll leave you the link in the description box down below from Indiegogo or their website if you want to purchase your pause on this watch. Very unique. Let me see. I can't even tell these are even numbered. From a standpoint. Let's take a look quickly. Yeah. I'm gonna have to take like a couple of these links to get removed. And what does this part do anyway? Huh. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. What does this do? Whoa. Whoa. It's similar to a sea dweller like it did. That you can adjust these that that you can fit it on a suit. You could press this down very carefully and then pull it out. So you can fit it over your wetsuits. Oh, these are not push pins. You can unscrew them, and then you can adjust it yourself. Wow, very cool indeed. So yeah, the packaging is well done, and oh yeah, there's a logo here. For UW, and that's the jellyfish. Let me go unwrap this. What the hey? It won't hurt. So yeah, you have to unwrap this very carefully. It's like a 2-layer pieces. And this is for where the round is. And here it is. the jellyfish logo. Here's a close-up straight out of the wrap. A rat. And let's see the tickering, ladies and germs. What do you guys think? And to rotate, it's easy. Very cool. I wonder how many I had to adjust this, or just plug in as many as I can. So yeah, before I play the music, for this swatch, I'm going to show you the website to where you can purchase these. And there are variants, and the one of this is you're seeing it here. All right. Now I have to show you the website. Alrighty, folks. So yeah, these are like independent micro watch brands, and of course Kickstarter has sure as hell done a lot of other ones. So yeah, tritium hands, yep. There are variants of all sorts of watches inspired by the jellyfish. Yeah, I don't think you can purchase these. These were in stocks at some time, even when it was on the last over a month or two, and it took time, and I had to correct the address when they sent you to the email. So let me see if Indiegogo is still selling this. So yeah, the one that you're seeing me review is the UV102. And this is the blue variant, the turquoise-esque blue variant, orange hours on the red. if I'm not mistaken. So yeah. Then there's the yellow version, which is the UV101, and then the next will be the 103, the 104, and the 105. So under the price tags of 28,000 HK dollars, it's the US translation for 359 bucks. So all these prices are under $359. Your choice if you want to take one. And so yeah. And this of course is from Osaka, Japan, obviously. But good products though. And here it is from their sites, from AEQUOREA. If I said the name right, correct me if I butchered it. So yeah, there are other types of these watches, including the very first generation, going back like some time back, which I wasn't fully aware of. Time to Innovation. I didn't know there was an all blue out version. Maybe I should have pulled a trigger. These are on Kickstarter until February 3rd, the Ronin. I don't know if I'm interested in getting one though. Oh, but this PVD one, it looks very cool. But all under $512. Yeah, and there, of course, there are the variants of the Aquarius. All of these models. Then there's the full moons, and then there's the first generations. Okay, these two went out of stock. Actually, there's only 3, and there's only 1 in existence. So yeah, if anybody's interested, I'll leave you the link in the description box down below for this one. So yeah, very cool micro brands or independent micro brands. Who knows? But they look like badass watches. Nothing to kid around that. And I'll leave you in some videos of somebody that has more of this in depth. Let's take a look at see what's more to come. Man, a lot of good micro brands coming from foreign countries. Not bad at all, don't you all think? So yeah, enough chit chat, folks. If you want it, your choice if you want to purchase it. The link will be in the description. So yeah, now it's music time. Like right now. Alrighty, folks. So we're gonna be playing a song from a band called Yard Act with the song called We Make Hits. Enjoy. That was Yard Act with the hit song "We Make Hits." Yard Act. That is YARD Act. Yard Act. So yeah, folks. And if you like content like this, you're into the content, please click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified about new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups. Have any opinion related to the content, comments down below. That's right, folks. Plus, I'm in the YouTube community. I often post what time I post videos at a certain time, whether it be the early afternoon hours or the early evening hours or whichever hours. So keep an eye on that, folks, to tell you the time, what time does the video start, whether it be the afternoon or the early evening hours, whichever it is. Keep an eye on that, folks. And plus, the pre-orders for the Skeet Ulrich and Matthew Illard autographs at CSR are still going on until February 3rd, so you better get it like now. And also, as of today or yesterday, or as of Friday, a new pre-order double signing for the 2 cast members from the first Terrifier, which would be the 2 female victims of Art the Clown. The link is already in the description box, as well as in the YouTube community, by the way. I haven't posted any vids lately, I just found out about it. So it's in the YouTube community. If anybody's interested, there you go. And of course, what else? It'll be in the description box down below. Also, let's give a shout out to the collectors out there, to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, toy collectors, autograph collectors, and all you collectors out there. And especially, let's give a shout out to my subscribers. Shout outs to you all. You know who you are. Shout outs to you guys. So yeah. Wow. Well, anyways, y'all. This is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy the weekend, y'all. And enjoy the final day of January. Hear you and hear you and hear you and check you all on February. Catch you on the next vid, y'all. Gotta go. And later.